TS, this is Swamyath. I'm going to demonstrate my before. I've done all the required elements along with that. I've done caching. I've done live connections for extra credits, as well as I have done fetching, which is partially completed. I've tested for certain websites, it worked. I didn't test for rest of the websites, so I hope it should work for all the websites. Let me just demonstrate it. I apologize for the fact that I have submitted 3 codes, one with code caching and another 2 with caching and link prefetching. So I apologize for that, and I'll demonstrate everything now. So now I'm executing my code without caching, so basic proxy. So I'm testing for keepalive connections now. You can see here, if I have used 4 as threads, and so this should handle multiple connections. Let me just execute again. So you could see here that it's keep alive, and you could see the response and connection is still open. You will also uh, receive responses to the web browser at the same time, and this could be a little slower as I haven't implemented caching in this part of the code. But you could see here, I'm not printing the responses for here, but I'm just printing the URLs and what is the actually proxy connection keep alive, and every link I click, it will get opened. It might be a little slower, but link might open. You could see here the response is also coming here, the URL and the connections. This could be a little slower. So far I have shown like I have implemented keepalive connections for extra credits, as well as basic proxy is working. Now what I'll do is I'll go to now I'll show you my caching program, how I did caching. Show that. So let me just change the proxy so that there will not be any binding issue. So say I'll a sufficiently large note. See here that these 2 links are fetched, and there is a connection now. What I'll do to prove my caching, I'll just disconnect my internet, and I'll set a timeout of say 170 seconds, which is sufficient. And with that, we'll see like within 170 seconds, will I be able to access this particular website. I have disconnected the internet connection now here, and let me just check. Go to this website and see. You could see here that websites that I've checked, I'm able to uh, I'm able to move here and there freely. And let's see, since I've set a sufficiently large timeout, let me just wait for the period of 170 seconds. And after that, let's see whether the particular cache is getting cleared or not. Still it's not yet. Still there is time. Wait. Since since I'm doing link fetching, I would have fetched all the websites here. Let me just check whether like the particular cache period has got over for each of the websites. So I'll go to this website and see it has got over. So you could see here that period has got over just now, and let me just go back and the rest of the links. So you could see here rest of the links has got over. So now recently the period has got over. So beyond this point, you will not see anything here. For every website, you will see proxy server is reducing. Even for the research that we initially cached, it's reducing. So what I'll do now, let me just show how I do link prefetching. First, uh, these links have prefetched, and uh, only a couple of links I clicked, but the rest of the links, when I just loaded this Colorado.edu, I prefetched every link in the page. So what I'll do now, I'll I'll switch on the internet connection, and what I'll do is I'll this page. So this page I have created for fetching these links. So I have just clicked this page. I'm not going to click any of those links. I'm not going to cache. I'm just have cached this particular page and all the links in the particular page. So what I'll do now is I'll close this page and let me just turn off this internet. And let me just now the internet is turned off. Let me just go to the particular website which I just cached. I mean to say like which I cached and prefetched all the links inside. So check whether all these links are getting opened. So I just cached the entire website. I prefetched all the links inside the website. Let me just check. You could see here I'm able to prefetch all the links even though I haven't cached these links. I'm able to prefetch all those links. So you could see here that I'm able to cache prefetch all those links. And this is how I have implemented my proxy, and I have implemented keepalive connections, and I tried running that by net command, and I used both forking as well as threads for running multiple simultaneous connections from several clients, and I tested that telnet client as well as with one client. So that way you could see here that now now the internet connection is off, and if I give different website say www.cmu.edu, which is not touched, see here proxy is refusing connections, and proxy will also refuse connections for secured websites like Google, since I'm not handling those websites. Now I'll do is this way I've shown like I'm able to handle I'm able to fetch different websites. I'm able to do link prefetching. I'm able to do caching, and I've sufficiently set a large timeout to make sure like I don't have to manually clear those websites and it will get automatically cleared. So that way I do proxy server and I handle keepalive connections, multi-threading, prefetching as well as caching. Thanks for watching this video.